Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World, and today I'm on with a quick little box tutorial. Very easy box, very quick and easy to make, and you can make it any size you want and whatever depth you want, so long as you have the paper to fit it. And it's really simple, so I'm going to show you quickly how I made this. These ones I have to make a couple of these for a customer to pop in some rosary beads. So as you can see, I've decorated the bottom the same as the top and the same as this, and I've used a spellbinder's cross on the top. Now the card that I've used is called Poppy Parade from Stampin' Up, and the papers that I've used are from the Sunshine and Rainbows 6x6 inch pack that was free during Celebration, just finished there a while back. So what you need is your piece measuring 4 1/8. I'm just going to double check my length here. 4 1/8 by 9 and should be 3/8. 1, 2, yeah, 9 3/8. Got it right. So you need your scoring board, and you want to go at 7/8 is the depth that I need for these particular rosary beads. So you want 7/8 at both of the long sides there. And then turn it round, and we're going to score this way. So start off with 7/8 and then 4 1/4 and then 5 1/8 and then 8 1/2, and that's all your scoring you're going to need. So normally you would cut and then score, but I'm going to go the opposite way just because I want to. So I'm going to cut into that mark there at the 7/8, just up to the score line there. Not sure if you can see it, you can, and just trim that in a wee bit, and do the same at this side. Go into the center and cut up the 2 score lines up to the same mark again, and again trim those down. And then go to this one and do the same. Trim it in and trim your edge. And repeat the exact same down this side on that video. So that is all your cuts done, the exact same on each side, and we're just going to do our scores now. And just score those sides in as well, just to give you a nice crisp finish to your box. As I say, it is the simplest box on earth. You decide what size you need and what depth you need, and that's, you do the width you need, the depth you need, and the length you need, and just set it out like that. Just follow that template and you'll be able to make it for any size. It's really quick if you need a box in emergency to throw some sweets into or something for a child's birthday or whatever, or even money. As I say, this one is for rosary beads for somebody's grandparents. So that is your box more or less made up. You just need to now form it like so. Just you're joining all these up. You're going to make one as your base, so these middle ones will be attached to one side only, not to this end, just to here. So we'll do that now, just using my multi-purpose glue, or you can use double-sided tape, good firm double-sided tape, so that it holds your box. So folding those in and putting the glue on the top of them. And then we're going to join it all up. Make sure you've got good square corners there, that they're all nicely taken, just so that your box closes properly, otherwise you'll be in trouble. And hold your box up like so to join these ones. Just press those in. And that is forming your nice wee box, and this will close down and be closed in like so. So you can actually do that while you have it like that, so you know that it fits perfectly. So again, add that to that wee cut off of tab that you made, and just hold it so it's nice and secure, and do the same with the other side. Just hold it, it gets a good grip. Now, to make it easier to open and close that box, use your 1/2 inch punch if you have one, just to make a wee tiny notch in the centre. Oh, you swallowed that. And that just allows you to open and close your box perfectly. Now I have 3 pieces of DSP here cut. I'm going to use the pink side because this is for the grandmother. And just the sizes I have cut is 2 2/8 by 3 3/8 for top, bottom and inside. So this one's going inside. Just gives it a nice wee lining to match. And these are the rosary beads that are going. This one actually had a box, the other one she had no box for it. So that fitted me perfectly, and pop that on there, just leaving a nice wee rim around. Turn it upside down and do this side. And that's how simple it is. Now at this stage you could make a belly band for it, or tie ribbon around it, or just do like I'm doing and pop whatever you have to put in it and decorate the top. Keeps it nice and simple and quick and easy. So that is it, and I have a cross cut somewhere. Can't find it, but that is the die I've used from Spellbinders for my cross. Just cut it out in the same. I'm going to do the same red here as well and added a big pearl, and that's how simple that box was. So I made 2 different sizes. This one has no box inside, obviously, for those rosary beads. So sorry, I got interrupted there, so I can't remember what I was saying, but either way, this is a quick and easy little box, and you can make it in whatever size suits you. So catch us all again soon, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.